Alright, in this video I just want to show you guys this bougie garage tent setup. Now you guys are already used to the 10x10 that we sleep in and done a bunch of videos in, but Jesse bought a 15x10 garage tent that we converted with the 10x10, and we're going to show you guys how we set it up. We're going to use it for cooking and hanging out and work and all kinds of stuff, but I'll show you guys right now. That zipper broke, but here's what it's looking like right now. It's kind of a disaster. Here's the famous stove. Here's a bunch of garbage and Jesse's mess stuff. Some beers. Another stove that Jesse got. Our table and everything, but it's a disaster right now. It looks terrible. And we're gonna soup it up nice, get it ready for the winter, and I'll show you guys that soon. So I'll do a little time-lapse video so you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll take you for a little tour after we're done. But enjoy the video, enjoy the music. I'll see you guys soon. Welcome to the renovations of Jesse's new house. What do you think about it? You like it?
I love it, dude. There's a stove. Is that it?
No, that's it right there.
What's that then?
That's another big ass one.
Where'd you grab that?
For a case of beer.
A case of beer?
I got it for a case of beer, yeah.
You got it for a case of beer?
Yeah.
You lucky.
Yeah, check out this one. Look, we got it. Sab's gonna weld because the leg broke, so Sab's gonna weld it.
Sam's gonna weld it.
Yeah.
I raked all the leaves too.
Good job, Sammy.
That's it, boy.
Dude,
Pressure painted.
This is fun.
That's gonna get better.
Long.
How much was the extension?
Like $300.
That's it?
Yeah, this is the extension. This is the original tent.
Oh no, wait, hold on. So extends to your original shelter logic you bought?
This is the one Jesse bought, and
So
this
how
is
much was this?
$369.
that's 15 by. This is enough right here.
Didn't we
The side,
check
no?
these and it was like
No, that was
$800?
canvas tents. Canvas tents.
Oh.
Yeah. This is Jesse just adding foil.
Yeah,
Like a baked potato. No, I don't like it. I don't like the hanging. Why'd you put it on this side?
well, you're putting the stove here.
What? What stove?
You're putting the stove. What is this stove here?
Oh, so what?
What?
What do you think, Sal?
Sick.
You like it?
Love
Get in there. Almost done. Alright, so here's what we got so far. It's not done yet. So we got the stove, Jesse's little garbage pile. We got some table to do some work on. We got some shelves. Here's a sink with some pots and pans. A bucket if we gotta wash anything. And then we got this stove here that I have to fix. One of the legs came off. So me and Sav here are gonna weld it up. And then we got lots more to do, and we're almost done.
Whoa!
You see it? Slower, a little slower. This is the electrical spool. Alright, so let me show you guys around. We got stove, bunch of chairs set up. Here's a little wood box, we're gonna keep the wood. And then we have Jesse's little tool table that's just like an electrical spool. If you ever find these are great for a lot of things. Then you got my little stove. We're gonna be doing lots of cooking videos. Probably a table if we gotta cut up some stuff. Here's going to be a filleting table, especially for ice fishing. Some garbages right now, some shelves, and just probably this whole area here is going to be a work area. And here's the outside. As I'll show you, the stove's coming up through the top. And then it's got that panel there, and it's also cut out right around here, as you guys know already. Alright, so that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's going to be a lot more videos coming soon. We're going to be doing some bow hunting soon, and a lot more cooking videos in here for sure. But I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time.